people, how are you today? I am Catlady Antigoni and today I am reviewing the Harley Quinn palette from Revolution Makeup. As always, the first step is to prime my eyes using the primer potion by Urban Decay. And while I'm doing this, let me tell you about Revolution. So obviously I'm giving Revolution a second chance because I used to think that their quality is so-so and I didn't really want to invest my money on their products, but I decided to give them a chance because I have watched some videos and everyone is basically saying that they have improved their quality, and I'm curious, okay? I'm very curious to see that. And also I saw the amazing packaging of the Harley Quinn palette. I mean, look at it, isn't it beautiful? And if you look, the colors is like the perfect color scheme for me. It has blue, pink, purples, and I feel very inspired, and I think that today I want to create something different and something according to this color scheme in order to use as many colors as possible to have a very fair and nice review for you. The first color from the palette that I'm gonna test today is this vibrant pink right here. It's called Puddin, and I feel that if this works, I will be very happy and I'm ready to give a very good review to the palette. I mean, oh my god, look how pretty! Okay, I'm placing it here at the inner part of my eye by doing my favorite tap moves, in order to make sure that I have a lot of color before I start blending. Well, let me tell you some first impressions. So, as you saw, the color was not true to the pan with just one time, but then I took some extra and I built it, and it's absolutely buildable. And now I have this amazing result. Then I tried to blend it out a little bit to soften out the edges, and it's doing perfectly. Like, I'm so happy with the upgrade of Revolution quality. This palette started very nicely, and now moving on to the next color. Let me see on the plastic the name. The name is Aden, and we have a very nice light purple to pink color, and I'm very curious to try this also because this palette is making me so excited. So far so good. I'm very happy with the blendability between these two colors. They are so smooth and they blend like a dream. So I'm planning to finish my basic and main part of my look by using some blue, and obviously if I was not the one who is testing the blue color, then who? Tell me who. Okay, I'm gonna take the shade which is called Chaos, this one right here. It's a little bit difficult that they have the names on the plastic and the plastic is on the black part of the palette, so I cannot read them as good, but okay, this is just a minor detail. So let's apply. Wow! Oh, look at it! Oh my god, it's an amazing blue! Let's see how good it will blend into the purple, because actually this is a challenge now that I see it, but oh my god, I'm super happy with this blue. Wow, I'm so happy with what I see right now. Now time to start testing the metallics, and specifically the wild side, which is a perfect color for putting it under the eyebrow area and here at my inner corner. So I'm gonna take this brush from Beauty Bay BB 212. I'm gonna take an amount and I'm gonna spray it because I would like to make sure that I will make it as shiny as possible. I'm so curious to see what's gonna happen. By the way, this is the spray from Aden, and I feel this is a very nice spray for spraying my metallics before I apply them. Let me put it. Wow, look how beautiful it is. It's perfect. I'm gonna do some swatches later on. Wait for it. As you probably understood, I fell in love with the metallic eyeshadow and I want to try more now. Okay, so my idea right now is to take this purple, which is called Mister, and apply it here between the pink and the purple, and then finish my eye with this blue, which I feel it's gonna be duochrome, so oh my god, the best is yet to come. The name is Crazy, and I'm applying it between the purple and the blue. So now let me take my brush, a very nice and flat brush, oh my god, feels so good. I'm gonna spray it again because I wanna make sure that I will help the color as much as possible, like I'm doing with every glitter eyeshadow that I'm using or testing. This time I'm not gonna apply any glue because this is gonna work as an extra and not like a cut crease or something, because the main idea of the makeup is definitely not the cut crease. I got so excited by the white. Okay, I think it's ready, so I'm spraying it and I'm ready to tell you my opinion. Oh well, I didn't like it, because it's not that effortless, to be honest. Like, I had to dig the pan in order to get some color on my brush, and then I sprayed the brush, and then it was not as good. In order to make justice to the other color, and that's why I turned on the camera again, I'm gonna take this silicone brush. Can I say brush for this? This is from NYX Professional Makeup. Unfortunately, I washed out all the letters, so I cannot really read its name. I'm gonna take some blue, and hopefully this is gonna work better than the... Oh, actually this is working. So I think the problematic color is this one, or it was just the first layer and I had to dig a little bit before I kind of get it to work as perfect. Well, I'm gonna try it again before I tell you my true opinion about this. Like, blue seems very fine and it seems that it's very effortless in comparison. I don't know what's going on with the shimmers. Like, I was so happy with white, not happy with this, but with blue we are back to happiness. We will see. Okay, I have finished with the basic part of the eye look, and now I would like to decorate it a little bit, and I'm thinking to use from NYX Professional Makeup the Epic Wear White eyeliner with a tiny brush, and with this I'm gonna create some details. Basically, I'm gonna work with the idea of the graphic eyeliner, but I'm gonna make it a little bit more special in order to match the colors. To finish the top part of my eye look, first of all I used some rhinestones. Do you like them? I think that in every makeup, if you add rhinestones, you are taking it to the next level. They are absolutely amazing! And then I finished with some false lashes, and actually for this time I tried for the first time in my life lashes from I Heart Revolution. These are the collaboration that they have done with my favorites Aristocats. Oh my god, in Greek we used to say Aristogates, so this pronunciation has stuck in my mind and I don't think that I can say the correct one. Excuse me, I'm Greek, I'm trying to do my best, okay? Anyway, the style is called Perfect, and I think that it has to do with Marie from the show, this beloved white cat. Oh my god, I love all the cats so much. Anyway, back to relevancy. Now for the bottom part of my eye, I'm thinking first of all to use this eye pencil from NYX Professional Makeup in the shade Baby Blue, and then dive into my palette for the last time in order to use this green right here. This is called Doll and it's a shimmery one, and I really want to figure out what's going on with the shimmers of this palette, because I don't know, like I have tried some good ones and some bad ones and I'm so confused. Now, as I'm applying the pencil, tell me what do you think about the color story and the relevancy with Harley Quinn, because yeah, definitely I can get the half pink, half purple to blue side, but I don't know, in my mind Harley Quinn is kinda darker, so I would expect to see more reds, more blacks. Not that I like red, not that I would change anything to this palette. Like, I love this palette and the color scheme and the color story is amazing, but I don't know how relevant is it with the actual movie and, you know, the actual presence of Harley Quinn. Tell me your opinion down in the comments. Okay, actually Doll has indeed very nice quality. It's comparing with the blue one. Oh, what's the name? I forgot. Okay, it's Rotten? No, it's Crazy. The blue one is Crazy. So I'm happy with this one, and with this one. The only meh is unfortunately the purple, and I know it's looking very promising. I don't know about this one because it's also purple, and I feel that if the one has a problem, maybe the other one will have a problem as well. Don't worry, swatches are coming, but for now I'm thinking to start by priming my face. So today I'm taking Fix and Last from Essence, and basically the idea is to do the face off camera because I don't want to become boring and you have already seen what I'm using as my new face routine. So I'm turning off the camera and I'm coming back with my face makeup on. Let me tell you what I have used on my face. So after the primer that I showed you, then I used from Essence again the Pretty Natural foundation, and then on the top I went again with Essence and the Camouflage Plus concealer. Actually, I used to have the Camouflage without the Plus. It was okay, acceptable, but this is very good actually. It has a very nice medium coverage, but if you want to know more about this product, I'm actually preparing a video, a full face of Essence products, so in this video you will find out all the details. I don't know when am I gonna publish it because I'm pre-filming and then I don't know what I will decide. If I have published it already, I'm gonna leave it down on the description box, and if I remember I will put a card up there. Then I continued with Essence products and I used the Glow Go, which is kinda a liquid highlighter, but it's not like the shiny highlighter, is more of a healthy glow to the skin, but you know that this is not enough for me because I enjoy being shone by the moon, people, you know. So I used the palette from Revolution, which is the collaboration that they have done with Sof from the channel Sof Does Life. Amazing channel, highly recommend it. And from this palette I have taken this shadow right here. Can you see it? It's a pretty nice shadow, but I haven't tried anything yet, the palette from the collaboration and the rest of the highlighters, so actually I don't have an opinion yet. All I know is that this specific one is a very nice one. And now it's time for the Greek word of the day. So actually one of the best shadows in this palette was this one right here, which I have used at the bottom part of my eyes. Its name is Doll, and that's what I'm gonna tell you in Greek. So we say kukla. Say with me, kukla, kukla. As always, I'm gonna ask you to try to write a comment down below using the word doll, or you can tell me the word in your own native language. Time to do the lips. So, as you have probably understood by now, I have placed a big order on Revolution when they had like you buy 3, you pay 2. Actually, it's a very nice offer, so I grabbed this opportunity and I filled my basket. And one of the things that I took was this lip gloss right here. It's called Tasty Marshmallow and it's in the shade Sugar Rush. And I'm so curious to try it, but before I actually try it, I decided to go with this lip pencil. This is from We Makeup in the shade 22, Vico Fuchsia? I don't know, it's Italian, maybe I'm not pronouncing it very correctly, but I hope that you will forgive me. Okay, so first this pencil, and then we are trying the lip gloss. Well, the gloss smells perfectly. If you're a sugar lover, you're gonna love it. It smells like marshmallows and I love marshmallows so much. Actually, it's among the very few sweet things that I enjoy eating. But yeah, it's perfect. I highly recommend it. And let me tell you, the formula actually is reminding me of these two. What are these two? So here we have again glosses from I Heart Revolution makeup. It's from a very old collection, I think 2019, something like that. The purple one is called Metallic Unicorn Lips in the shade Fantasy, and the pink one is called Metallic Angel Heart Lip Gloss in the shade Cherub. And actually you might think that these two are the same. No, because obviously this is colder and this is warmer, but I think that this formula also is not sticky as this was, and actually in this formula I was feeling the glitter in a negative way, but here, although that it contains glitter, I don't feel it unpleasantly on my lips. So big thumbs up, because this idea was a good idea and they really improved it by this lip gloss. So all in all, this palette is Antigoni approved, yay! But I would like your opinion down in the comments in order to tell me, would you buy a quite affordable palette, okay? Even though that you know that 1 out of 9 shades is not working perfectly? Yes or no? Like, it would be a very interesting debate, but before you answer, have another look at my swatches. I think that the camera is focused enough for you to understand what you're looking. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe also, because I'm reviewing a lot of affordable things these days. Like, I have a big order of Revolution, I have some things from Essence that I would like to review, and actually more fun stuff are coming. And if you want to make sure that you follow me everywhere, you can follow me on Instagram as well, which is Catlady Antigoni. I'm gonna leave it down at the description box and down at the screen here. Editor, do it please, here. Thank you. Nice. And that was it for today. Thank you so much for being here with me, for hearing at my review. Don't forget to share your thoughts down in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. See you on Friday with a transformation makeup. And until then, bye bye!